Your questions?
The one of the Azimio is left.
Yes, go ahead.
Through the chair, through the speaker, that was then. That was then that I was among the panelists that were able to choose the deputy party leader of our party person then. Actually, you know, sometimes you work things as they appear on the table. I did fairness. Every party that was there had their representatives. They had their candidates also wanting the same. So there was no way I would take over. It's only issues that, as you said, issues on the table. We agreed, and we said the parameters of somebody who would suit a running mate should be like this, and those are the binding grounds through which people were vetted. And the person we got had what it took, because it was not the ODM that picked, it was all political membership that decided the vet. I was only one person from ODM, the rest are from the other representative of the parties. So I tell you, whatever happened, happened because there were benchmark through which were to operate. I was right at that time.
In any case, it was a political decision.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, Junet?
Mr. Speaker, just to add to it, actually, I'm the one who appointed her to that committee. And I was satisfied with her work. She did a fantastic job. But anyway, that's beside the point. No, Kalonzo was going to become the president, up and belly. Anyway, Mr. Speaker, that is not the issue. I want to ask her, as somebody who has lived in Asal area, and you know very well that people in that area, as the Deputy Speaker has asked, have suffered for many years. And most of the time, they complain that they don't get any help from government. But today, you have been nominated from an Asal area to deal with those issues that affect those people who come from Asal area and from regions that feel marginalized in this country, despite devolution being in place and counties being in place that money is devolved. What different are you going to do if you are approved by this committee to help those people who live in the Asal areas? And secondly, you are going to become, if you are approved, the Minister for the East African Community. And you can see the community is growing. It used to be 6 in number. I think now they are 8 or something. DRC has joined. Somalia has joined. How are you going to harness the potential in that community, which now has close to 500 million people in terms of numbers? How will that be, helpful to you if you are approved as a minister by this committee? Thank you very much.
Through the speaker.
Go ahead.
Being an Asal person, one who grew in a Asal, I tend to believe I have what it takes through my own personal experience and through what I was seeing people do in that area. Pastoralists are good people. Pastoralists, if recognized, if they are made to understand things and then you are there to explain. Pastoralists are good people. They can adopt new initiatives when sensitized. If created an awareness, they can implement things that would be implemented elsewhere. So what I mean by me being there, I'll make sure they're involved in all these things that would improve their lives. Actually, I will be speaking from a point of information on what has been going on. As a pastoralist, I will be better placed to use my experience and my upbringing to make sure these communities actually get what they deserve without being traumatized the way they used to be. The information that is in circulation has never favored them. It is full of stereotyping. It is just too negative, poor publicity and very negative publicity. When I'll be on board, I will make sure the right information is given, the right analysis is given, so that their lives is going to be improved. At least be sure their own will be on board. And the information and anything that they would want to have will be truly from my personal life, personal experience. So be assured that one will be well done. Now, on the side of the growing economy of East Africa community, just as it